Hello and welcome guys to Make My Print, your YouTube channel where you'll find the latest and most interesting news about 3D printing technologies, industries and many more updates. So there are three big news coming today. First, we are going to talk about Kawasaki. Wait, what? Yes, you heard it right. Kawasaki has launched a 3D printed robot that is not only affordable but also safer compared to its bigger competitors. Stay tuned for the details in this video. Number 2. Orbital Composites has secured an exciting contract with US government. And number 3. HeyGears and Pac-Dents have announced a strategic partnership in dental 3D printing. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, my friend. Now let's get started. Kawasaki launches Astorino, a safer and more affordable educational robot. Kawasaki developed the Astorino to make robotics education safer and more accessible. This robot is specifically aimed at educational institutions and tech learners. Let's talk about some key features of this robot. Safety measures, lightweight and designed for educational purposes. Affordability, priced competitively at around $5,000, making it an attractive option for schools and learning centers. Versatility, the robot is compatible with multiple programming languages, providing students with hands-on learning opportunities. This innovation from Kawasaki could significantly expand access to robotics education, helping students gain valuable experience with industry-level robots. Orbital Composites secures AFWERX contract from StarFighter X drone fleet development. What is AFWERX? It's a program initiated by the US force to advance aerospace technologies. This contract focuses on developing drones using composite material and large-scale additive manufacturing, which is 3D printing, for superior performance. The StarFighter X drone fleets will benefit from these advancements, making them lighter, stronger and more efficient. This project holds significant potentials for the aerospace and defense industries, showing how 3D printing is becoming integral to the large-scale technologies advancements. HeyGears and Pac-Dent announces strategic partnership in dental 3D printing. This collaboration aims to enhance dental 3D printing solution by combining the strengths of both companies, potentially revolutionizing dental care and medical industries. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you are already subscribed to this channel. I'll catch you in the next one with more exciting updates. Thanks for watching.